Hello and welcome back, classmates. We're here to react to Doctor Stone Season 4.
I actually don't know what to expect for the final season. But as we could see on the last season, we knew that they are going to the moon. And also we have to find out who's behind Wyman's voice, why sounds like Senku.
Yeah, I'm excited to find out on which country are they going to go for this season. So, what are we waiting for? Doctor Stone Season 4, Episode 1.
Now serving!
Wait, I don't know what's the name of the ship. Is it Pegasus or something? Perseus? Yup, we're going to the moon! Oh, so we're going to America this time. Alright.
Why I was hoping that we could have that type of intro.
Fangirl here. Yeah, there's Gen. Suika.
Hika.
Kaseki, this old man.
Oji-san!
Joining their crew now.
Now she has expressions.
Yeah. Wait, that's a development. Praise that Matsukaze is all over Ginro.
Feels the same.
They're fighting over what? That's exaggerating. Discussion.
Yeah.
Dissing each other. Discussion to dissing.
But they are not fighting.
70 days.
Ah,
That's wrong.
they go around it.
What? Oh, they're measuring it. Okay.
They would sound out what is the shorter route.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, there it is.
Oh!
If they would go over it.
Oh. Uh-huh. So they're disagreeing on which route they're gonna take. Great Lord GPS. 70 days. Oh, so he's after the season where they can plant horns. Mm-hmm.
I think someone win the argument here.
Yeah. It's an easy win. No. See, Ryusei is still arguing about it. Oh!
Mm,
I just doesn't want to do the work.
okay, time to
Ah,
vote.
how about how about your classmates? Which route do you think is the best
I
right
think this
now?
would not be over.
So they're playing poker? Nice.
Oh no,
No,
please, not him.
no. Wrong choice.
There would be cheating in this one.
Yeah, you cannot trust this guy.
Hmm.
What does she even know
Oh,
about
yeah, what
poker?
does she know?
Oh my god. Oh, so she's just wanna watch Gen first episode and we're having poker.
And now, time for the bet.
Yep. Choose your player. Everybody's gambling.
It's
No.
already
Oh no.
started. He was doing something with the cards.
But Kohaku's there. Good job, Kohaku.
Nice job right there.
Can't
Huge
fool
pattern
her.
in the act. Oh.
I don't trust this expression. Eh. Oh. So who won? He's trying to deceive Senku.
With that look on
Uh,
his face.
yeah. So which team are you betting? Is it Ryusei's or Senku's?
I go for Senku here. There's something on his sleeves.
What? Okay. Oh no, that look.
There's still something that is planning to.
Yep. It may seem like there's nothing, but he already planted something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Ah, she noticed it.
Mm-hmm. I think he's bluffing. I think Ryusei's bluffing. Gen was just playing everything to fool Senku. Look at those faces.
I still believe.
I
Cheating
think
would
he's
not get you anywhere.
I think he's bluffing. I have a strong sense that he's bluffing. What's he doing? What's he calculating? Or is he also bluffing? He memorized the positioning of the card?
Ooh, all
Oh!
in. I was so sure of this.
Yeah. I think he's gonna win this one. He's taking it all in. I think Senko memorized the positions of the cards.
Hmm.
No, they're the ones who's suspicious. Oh no! Now who's gonna win?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Uh,
Now it's over.
5 aces. Oh yeah, they didn't even notice it. How come there's 5? Oh no, he also cheated. He used science again to cheat.
Okay.
Look at that face. So they're gonna make it in 40 days.
Yeah. Shortcut of science. Let's go. Oh, it's over.
Guys, quick on creating businesses.
Okay. Everyone is gambling now. Great way to entertain yourself for 40 days.
Create an onboard casino. Make like stopovers for this trip. We also have bar now.
Take my money!
Take my money. Everybody's getting drunk. Oh, look at their faces. Does it even taste like the real thing? Oh, yeah.
What's gonna happen if everyone got drunk? No one would pilot the ship.
Mhm. It's all just an act. They weren't really fighting. That's crazy. Our game was super legit. He lost. He lost to Senku.
To be honest, this first episode was not that exciting.
Yeah, it feels like a filler episode to me because I can't remember this happening. I mean, about the poker game.
Yeah, I feel the same. But yeah, it was still a nice episode though. I had a nice laugh.
Yeah, I didn't expect that. They pretended that they were actually fighting just to get everybody hyped up for the casino and the bar.
Never expect that it would be just for the show. Ukyo finally found out about it at the end. I think it
Mhm.
was legit. But while it was ongoing, I was wondering, wait, geography was part of science, is it? Yeah. But why they are fighting? He already know. They should already know what the best route is on the first place.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Anyway, it was actually good, but not a strong start for our first episode. But I get the feeling that next episode, I hope that it would be a much better episode than this. We're going back to the regular programming.
Yeah, I think this was not that good start, but I think episode 2 would be more exciting than this episode 1. What do you think, classmates?
Comment your thoughts below.